What if I told you that you could achieve financial freedom in just a few years? No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more stress over bills. But here's the catch. It won't happen by luck. You need a plan, and you need to start now. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to take if you want financial freedom in 2025. Stick around, because this could be the video that changes your life. Why most people stay broke. Most people never achieve financial freedom because they do things the wrong way. They work hard, but don't manage money properly. Let me explain. 1. They rely only on one source of income. A job alone isn't enough. If your job disappears, so does your income. In 2020, millions of people lost their jobs overnight. Many had no backup plan and ended up struggling. 2. They live above their means. People increase their spending as their income grows, a phenomenon called lifestyle inflation. Example, John gets a raise from $3,000 to $4,500 per month. Instead of saving or investing, he upgrades to a luxury apartment, buys a new car, and now has even more expenses than before. 3. They don't invest early. Most people think investing is for the rich. But if you start small and invest consistently, you can build wealth over time. A real example. If you invested just $200 per month into the S&P 500 index fund over the last 30 years, you'd have over $500,000 today. The biggest mistake? People wait too long to take action. They think, I'll start when I make more money. But wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. The 3 keys to financial freedom. There are only 3 things you need to focus on to escape the financial struggle: earning, saving, and investing. Step 1, increase your income. You can't save your way to wealth if you're barely making enough. So, first step is to increase your income. Start a side hustle, learn a high-income skill, or create digital products. There are thousands of ways to earn extra money today. Example, a friend of mine started freelancing online while working a 9-to-5 job. Within a year, he was making more money from freelancing than from his job. Step 2, save and budget smartly. Most people think saving means just keeping money in the bank, but that's not enough. A smart budget allocates money to 1. Necessities, 50%. Rent, food, bills. 2. Investments, 30%. Stocks, real estate, or business. 3. Savings and emergency fund, 20% for unexpected expenses. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never control it. Step 3. Invest and multiply your money. You don't need millions to start investing. You just need consistency. If you invest $500 per month in a solid investment like index funds, in 10 years, that could grow to over $100,000. Real life example. Warren Buffett started investing at age 11. Today, 90% of his wealth came from compounding over decades. The lesson? Start now. How to make money while you sleep. Passive income is the ultimate goal. If you're working for money, you're stuck. But if money works for you, you have freedom. 1. Dividend stocks. Own shares in companies that pay you every quarter. 2. Real estate. Buy properties that generate rental income. 3. Online businesses. YouTube, blogging, selling digital products. 4. Automation. Set up systems that run without you. Imagine earning $3,000 a month from investments, rentals, and online businesses without having to work daily. That's real financial freedom. If you want to be financially free in 2025, you need to start now. Don't wait, don't overthink, just take action. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your #1 financial goal for 2025? Let's build wealth together.